Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be unboxing this box I got from Echo Park. This is one of the warehouse boxes they just had, not the Club Echo Park box. I'm guessing they're just switching to these boxes instead of the bigger cardboard boxes they used, or maybe they just had extras of these, I don't know. But this is not a club box, this is the Echo Park warehouse box. So this was $45 shipped. I used a code, I believe it was like CRAFT10, which gave you 10% off. So this is $50 shipped. With the code it was $45. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm really excited. I love getting these boxes. Alright, so let's see what is inside. So there is a lot of stuff in here to unpack. So we have some washi. This is the pool party washi. I have a lot of pool party. I did something really fun with it. I don't know if I can talk about it just yet, but it's going to be coming out on my Instagram and I'll be posting about it, and it's super exciting and I'm really excited to be taking part of it. And then here's a different pool party washi that's really cute with some polka dots. We have Echo Park petals. So it looks like it's like you can make a flower out of it. There's instructions on echoparkpaper.com. That's really cute. Then there is some Christmas stuff. So there's some adhesive brads. This one says Merry Christmas, filled with joy. Some poinsettias. There's an ornament. So a lot of like Christmas type things. Then we have some enamel dots. Those are really cute, very fall. Another thing of washi. This is the fall washi, and it's just like that plaid or gingham style. Really like that with the colors. It's cute. Got a lot of fall stuff going on. So this is the fall puffy stickers. These are really cute. On this one says pumpkin patch, you pick, hay rides, corn maze, fresh cider, autumn leaves, pumpkin please, or pumpkins please, fall blessings. So that's really cute. Some more of that pool party, and like I said, I have a ton of pool party stuff right now. The puffy stickers. This one says hello summer, sunshine, hello sunshine. So these are really cute. This is it looks like a big print. That's a robot. I'm not sure what I'll do with that, but I might give it to my cousin's daughter. She really likes robots. And then we have this outdoor adventure paper pack. It's a 6x6 double-sided. I'll put it over here. We'll go through the paper packs at the end. Then we have little Lumberjack. Love this paper. I have a bunch of it, and I've been wanting to use it to make a mini album for my dad. And I think maybe this is the time to do it. Maybe I'll do a different than a mini album. Maybe I'll do something a little bit different than that. But we'll go through that as well. We have some chipboard phrases. This is Summer Market. This says fresh squeezed lemonade, locally grown, farmer's market, fun in the sun. So those are really cute. Then we have the Cartabella Christmas delivery. We have Happy Mail Wish List December, Post Office Sent with Joy, a little mailbox. These are really cute. Then we have some of these punch out ephemera pieces. This one says lions, tigers, and bears, taking it slow, the best memories at the zoo, let's explore, you are the bravest, zoo days are the best days. And then there's like a walrus and a monkey and an elephant. So those are really cute. And then we have another page of these punch outs. It's a Christmas one. It says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas Bake Shop, homemade and open every day. Christmas cheer. That's really cute. Cookies for Santa. Home for the holidays. So those are really fun. I love this paper pack. I've had it in the past, and I think this is what I used for my tutorial, but I made lots of simple cards based off of Lyric Lover's design for the simple cards, and these sold really, really well at my craft shows. People love birthday cards, and when they're $1 and simply made, people just, didn't have any left over from the craft show because so many people bought them up. So love that. I can make some more. But we'll go through that at the end. Then we have Fine and Dandy. I've never seen this one before. It's really cute. So it says, this is Echo Park. It's the 12 by 12 double-sided paper and an element sheet. So on the back it has the stickers. It says, remember today, oh happy day, happy birthday, what a beautiful life. So that's really cute, and that has all of the different patterns that are on the inside right there, so we won't need to go through that one. Spring Market is one of my favorite kits. I have a few of them already, but it's so pretty. I can never pass it up. It's just really floral and just gorgeous and almost like watercolor. It's just really pretty. So there's one says fresh flowers, happy little moment, joy, oh happy day, life is beautiful, and I love this watering can. So it's just really, really cute stuff. I don't believe I have this one either. It's called Ahoy There. So we have these really cute, like nautical looking pieces of paper with like some anchors and some life preserves. So that's fun. And then we have a full alphabet back here. Whale of a Tale, You and Me, Down by the Sea, Welcome Vacation, love this lighthouse. So this is really cute. Celebrate Spring. So has these really fun and bright pieces, some stripes, looks like maybe some umbrellas, some birdhouses, patterns, little frogs and umbrellas, some florals. And then on the back we have Hello Spring, Happy Day, Spring is in the air. I love this rainbow heart over the rain cloud. That's really, really cute. Some boots. So this one's really fun too. And then I have Flower Market. I don't think I have this one. This is really pretty as well. Some wood grain, florals. It looks like those cross stitch, I don't know what they're called, but like the circles that have like the thing stitched on the inside. That's super cute. Some stripes and some more watering cans. And on the back we have Fresh from the Garden, Truth, Freedom, Beauty, Love, Enjoy Your Life, Welcome. And then there's some more of those cross-stitch things there. This is really fun. I like this one a lot. And this looks like the last thing in our box. Hello Fall, with some really pretty fall colors. Love the trucks and the trees. Really pretty. And then on the back we have some really fun stickers, like there's a raccoon, an owl, a squirrel. This says Fall, Happy Together, Falling for You. I love this banner with like the ribbons. That's super cute. So let's go ahead and look at these paper pads. Just flip through them real quick. So let's just do a real quick flip through. So this is the Outdoor Adventure. It has some really fun little tags. Outdoors, some more fun, Happy Camper, Let's Wander. So that's super cute. Some fishing lures, like a shooting star. Looks like one of like the bear and some like the shield for like the camp. And then there's a map back here. It's a lantern, then blue. We have some RVs and like a blue pattern. Some like flags. It's a fishing and hiking. And then this says National Parks, State Adventure, Zion National Park, Yosemite, Get Outdoors and Explore. So those are really cute. I've actually been to a lot of these places. That's so much fun. Then we have the plaid, some stripes, plain red, some strips that you can use to make cards, red, some more of those flags. It's like a almost like a barbed looking square. that says camp and back to nature. And then some wood, and this starts us back again at the front. So then we have the little lumberjack. This is so cute. So this says be brave and courageous, the great outdoors, with like a mountain, axes, bear prints. Got some trees, some plaid, plain bread, some bears. Those are so cute. Wood grain, plaid, some axes, mountains, gray, a night sky. I love this. It's like a trail with like a teepee and bears and like a lake. Love that. Super cute. Some logs, plaid. This one says happy camper, chopping wood and looking good. The great outdoors. These are so fun. This is like has some trees on there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So it says out in the woods, born to be an adventurer, the great outdoors, bear club, some plaid. Then it says bold, young, wild, and free, never stop exploring, deer, some more teepees and arrows. And then we have some different tracks. So it says like otter, fox, coyote, bear, beaver. That's so fun. Then we have some moose and trees. The plaid. Looks like some fish. And then I think we're back at the beginning. So those are really cute. Love that a lot. And this is the Magical Birthday Girl 12 by 12. This is single-sided, but this one is so much fun. I've used it in the past, and these tags are great for making cards. Celebrate the birthday girl, happy birthday, make a wish, blow out the candle. And I love using these for cards because it just makes it so simple when you use these as the cover or your main focal point. So then there's other things, some tags. These buttons are adorable. Then there's some more tags. Time to make a wish. Let your magical birthday start now. We have these really cute balloons. Some more tags. Birthday celebration. Birthday cupcakes. Here's to the birthday girl. And then like just some cakes and happy birthday with some like fans or decor. Party hats. Some more tags. There's tons of tags in this pack. To the birthday girl, wish upon a star, best day ever. And this is really cute too. You can kind of layer that and make that really cute. Some of the Disney castles or Disney-esque castles with balloons. And then we're back at the beginning. So I love this pack. It's super cute. You can make so many fun birthday cards with this. And there's also one that's a birthday boy, and it's really cute too. It's just more like red and black. So that is everything that came in here. So we have this 12 by 12 pack. We have two 6 by 6 packs. We have two chipboards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these kits, which is awesome. I mean, even if you got those for $10 a piece, that would be more, like the box was less than that. Then we have these two punch out ephemeras. We have this robot print. We have two Puffy stickers, enamel dots, adhesive brads, the ability to make a nice big flower, and then we have 3 different washies. So that is everything that came in here. I think that's an amazing deal for $45. I love getting these Echo Park boxes. This is where I have accumulated so much of my stuff by getting these when they're on sale and cheap, and then I can have all these fun things and materials to work with. So let me know down in the comments below if you got an Echo Park box or if you're wanting to get them. I almost didn't get it this time because I was like, I have a lot of stuff and I really haven't been able to make as much lately, and do I really want to get it? So I went back and forth, and I eventually got it like the day that it sold out or went away. And it was so funny because my mom bought one for me because she knew I was going back and forth on it, and she's just like, I'll just get it for her. And I got 2 of them, so I gave the one back to her. I was like, you can keep it. I appreciate it, but I already bought one. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. As always, you can follow me here on YouTube. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.